Hey guys, it's Ohwge and welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video today guys, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be laying my wig, melting my lace and all that stuff for the very first time. And when I say first time, I mean ever. I have never ever laid my wig, all that melting of lace kind of stuff, whether by a professional, by myself, none of that. And it's very weird because I love wigs, okay, and for someone that loves wigs, this is kind of embarrassing.
It's really embarrassing.
But you know what, we'll not let that stop us. I have this wig. This wig is actually synthetic. I don't know if you guys can tell. You can probably tell. Look at the ends right there, all matted and crazy. I decided for this video, instead of using human hair, I'm going to try it out with this, so that if anything goes wrong, it's not really paying me like that, you get. So I got it for about $30 or so, like 600-800 grivens here. What length is this? It has the whole cap thing in there, pins, and then it has the clasp stuff. The part here is really short. So one of the reasons why I never actually laid my wigs is that I've always kind of used no glue method. I guess I use this elastic band stuff so the wig stays secure. And I think the most important thing and the biggest reason is I get really bored with wigs and with hairstyles and things like that. So I just feel like if I melt this thing today, what if I'm not feeling it tomorrow? Or what if I'm not feeling it later today? I have gone in terms of like getting info and all that stuff, like there's all the products I have to use. I bought a bunch of stuff. I got my GOT2B glued. I also got this GOT2B glued water resistant spiking glue. So I'm just going to use both and see how this goes. I have my foundation, powder, mousse, beige cap, straightener, hair dryer, you know, all that stuff. Let's get right into the video. First things first, laying my edges. This is to keep my hair from flying all over the place. So I'm just going to take my GOT2B blasting freeze spray. It says for screaming hold, so it better do what it says. I've never used this before, so guys, do you know something here? When I was doing my research on how to do the whole wig application thing, I saw too many videos and I started getting confused. I was like, God, please. So right now I'm just trying to do something and make sure the hair stays on my head. Is this what's supposed to look like? Okay, now I'm just going to spray this on the cap there, like right. What's even the time? Let me see how long it takes me to do this. Okay, I think I started at about 12. Dropping everywhere. Dryer. Is this supposed to be hot or cold? I don't even know. I can't remember. I'm going to do another couple of spritzes. Oh crap, it's everywhere. So I'm trying to look into the what's it called on my camera, just in case it looks like I'm looking off. I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair under the nude cap is all over the place again. I don't know if I am rushing this process. I'm just going to try and cut a hole here near my ear, like all the videos have been suggesting. Am I doing it right? If I just cut my ear now, uncle. So I've got this ear out. I'm just going to add some of this here. So far it's holding okay. So I'm just going to cut this side. I will do the same thing here to secure this part. The temperature setting I'm using is, I think, warm. Regulates the amount of heat. This is the least and this is the like power. So I'm using the least here. I think it's secure. I want to now cut this part off. Some people used razor blades at this point, but this is what I've got. Do not let this flop.
My God doesn't wear flip-flop, so he cannot flop.
Please, Jesus. So I'm going to take a toothpick and some of my GOT2B glued. Stick this down even more. I don't even know if I'm doing this thing properly. Jesus, take the wheel. I feel like I'm in an exam because I watched so many videos and it's like, oh yeah, come and show us what you learned. This is so much work. Like, people do this every day. or every couple of days before they go out. What? You know, I always wondered what to do with this part, like the back here. What am I supposed to do with you? Should I glue you down as well? What am I doing? There's some excess glue right in front here, so I'm just going to take these cotton thingies and some spurt. Always try this on high heat and see. It's hot. So I'm just going to take my, what's it called, foundation, apply a little. Okay, should I put this inside my hair, like that far in? Powder. This is my Sasha Buttercup. Hey guys, am I missing any steps? I feel like I'm missing a whole lot. So yeah, where's my wig? Here she is. I have never used pink before. This is like my first time ever, and I'm so excited. I'm just going to put some foundation in here. So that is what it looks like now. Pull that down. It's in the center, I hope so. Okay, so I think at this point I am supposed to put some of that and then press it down. Abby? I'm so scared. Hey God, please. Okay. I'm saying something about it getting tacky, so a little more. I don't even know if I should be using my fingers, honestly. I think I'm actually mixing a bunch of techniques right now. At this point, I can move my wig. My hands are so messy, oh my gosh. I should move my hair out of the way. I've got my hair clip. I'm going to put a little of this right here. So I'm just going to take this black little cloth thing and try and tie this down. I don't even know if now is the time. Ugh, I'm so clumsy. Wow, this is like the messiest melting lace video of all time. I'm just going to chill like this for a bit.
A few moments later.
Okay. Omo. Wait. Guys, this thing is pulling my brain. Yo. My mind is...
The prophecy is true.
Okay. Wait. What is happening? This thing is working. What? Let me show you. See. Can you see? I'm even worried about ripping out the hair. Dude, this is insane. Okay, let me just cut off this bit here, yeah? Got my little scissors. How is this thing works? No, the way this thing is holding my brain. Maybe this thing is in the middle. Is it in the middle? Can you guys see? Because sometimes it's like my eyes used to see things, you know. This hair clip. I even saw one video, so one chick was like, oh, this thing takes her like 15-20 minutes. I'm like, I'm just going to take this with some spirit and try to clean up right there the edges and see what that does. Again, with my little scarf, just going to tie it down. Honestly, I don't even remember anybody tying their what's it called down as often as this, but I am trying to make sure This is secure AF. This is what I look like right now with the weave. Oop, I think I forgot some tab here, so I'm just going to do that. I've got my hairbrush here, brush it out. This is what it looks like right now. I don't know, I think it looks okay considering. Right now I want to try and do baby hairs, and hopefully that will kind of cover up this lace right here. I'm just going to take my little rat tail comb and section out some hair in front. Normally I actually don't do baby hairs, but the purpose of this is just to hide the lace in front. So I think I'm just going to spray here and then the hair is obviously synthetic, so it's not swooping right, I guess. That is the reason. I am doing so badly.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked
This is
up.
like the part I was most afraid of. Everything that I was scared would happen is happening. I'm just going to tie it down again. Yeah, so I was going to show you guys the part. This is how far it goes. It doesn't go really deep. So let me take this off real quick and see what I have done to myself. What is that?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
Very messy, but don't worry, we'll try and make it work. I'm just going to separate my hair into two. This is what it looks like right now after like laying it and all that stuff. This is where I'm at. It's supposed to be my edges, but you know the vibes. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and straighten it some more because this just looks crazy, and since it's synthetic I'm going to have to be super careful. Bring some water on it, not too much so it's not dripping. So let's just quickly compare. Obviously this is way more straight. I'm just going to do that for the rest of my hair and be right back. Okay guys, I am done mostly straightening out this side, so you can see it looks very sleek. Of course it's not the same as like bone straight human hair, but it's definitely better than this frizziness on this side. You can see my hand just runs through, but here it's like, so I'm just going to go on ahead and do this side. Okay, so this is me in sunlight. The lace is still visible, but like I said, for my first time I think I did pretty good. All right guys, so now I'm just gonna take some mousse. Using the same setting as before, the very first one, like kind of cool or medium warm. So one last thing I saw, I can't remember whose channel I saw it on, but she used GOT2B glue to kind of tame flyaways. So I'm going to do some of that. She said to spray a bit of it in your hand and just kind of press down. So I've spent about 2 hours on this hair. One thing I would say is I don't know what to do about this right here. Like my cornrows are still sticking out under, and there is no lace here to glue or anything like that. Apart from that and the fact that my edges don't look so great. The main purpose of this video was just to see how I would do with laying my wig. It's not every day you'll find a professional to lay a wig for you. And I think if you want to do it on your own, these two are pretty okay. To an extent, you can actually use just this. But I wanted to test this out as well. And they both work really well together. So yeah, that is it guys. Let me know what you think of my wig melting skills. And just rate me. Rate my technique, rate my results and all that stuff. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please be sure to like, subscribe, leave me a nice little comment in the comment section. If you haven't already, please go ahead and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time every single time I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.